they pick onto it so fast. I mean, I could almost show them the basics and show them a few tools and then just let them go. And just to even see the things with no instruction, just sitting down and playing of what they were already coming up with and the trial and error that they were figuring out is just amazing to watch.
I don't think it's skill that makes a team as much as communication. And the Spout device is a very powerful tool, I believe, for bringing together a group of 40 kids. I have 40 students on this team.
When we're on video call with somebody, we can just show them with the projector view instead of having to constantly explain it and walk them through the steps. You can just write it out.
Like showing them and walking them through as you're talking to them at the same time.
Super easy.
So when you bring up any image, it could be a physical image you've just taken, it could be a camera image, it could be a document camera shot. It has all of those built in. You can annotate on the fly. You have multiple screens to annotate. So you can draw focus, even if it's in the main screen. You can use your stylus down on the small screen or on the main screen. You can use your finger touch, multiple finger touch. So you're bringing focus to the lesson, focus to the idea, focus to the object or part in robotics.
The staff get excited when they don't have limitations too, and they can really take and put themselves into a classroom and show the kids something that they're passionate about, and the kids can take that same concept and just run wild with it. All those things are happening in this single space using this single tool. It is really something.
We so often talk about the future, like 3D is the future, 3D printing is the future, 3D scanning is the future. I'm like, it's not the future, it's now.
If I'm invested in what I'm building, if I'm invested in what I'm making on the Spout or in a robot, I have a reason to learn all the theory that drives what I'm doing. So that's the key to the HP Spout. That's the key to the success that we are seeing as coaches in robotics, is that we're marrying together the very practical aspects of building and making. And now we're saying, okay, let's marry that with the virtual. Let's drive that with the virtual.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Sprout my robot!